Hello guys, you're welcome back to River FX, the home of trading strategy. I am glad to be bringing you this video based on this trading system. I want to bring you what I would like to call the moving averages crossover strategy. This trading method is kind of old-fashioned, but it's actually very profitable. But I would say do not trade in a range of markets, of course, as you can see right here. As you can see right here. So before I continue, why not you take a moment to obliterate the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel just to show us your support. Um, the indicator you see right here is called the snake force indicator. You can go ahead and search that and download on your own. And then for the moving averages, let's check out the settings. We're actually using the 22 period moving average, simple, apply the close, color blue, and 44 MA method, simple, apply, open, shift to 0. You tap on OK, color of your choice, and then you apply this indicator. So it works hand in hand. What you do is whenever price is above this, whenever price is above, it's a buy. And whenever price is below, it's a sell. But you just don't sell or buy because you see price trending above or below the moving average. So when that happens, you must look for a confluence. See that while price is above this snake force indicator has turned to green and going upward above the 0 level. And then you can take your buy, set your stops at the last low that was formed. Could be somewhere around here. You don't take into account the week. And so you buy the market. And let's see. Let me look at this. And for a sell, let's say I saw this forming right here. Price traded below. And what you would have waited was for a pullback to the moving average. Then you take your entries right here for a sell, your stops above this high, and you will be targeting this low right here. And as you can see, the take profit was hit, and you would have seen this turn red at the same time. That is exactly the same thing happening over here, the same thing happening over here. So price broke above the moving averages. We have the crossover right here. We have this green. So at this pullback, this is a pullback. So you would have taken this entry, your stops right here, and we'll see how far we can take it. Right. So I just wanted to bring you this free trading strategy. You can try it out on your charts. If you're a complete beginner, then this is for you. Don't forget to like the video, and I guess I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.